The Chania Folklore Museum contains an exhaustive collection of how Cretans lived before globalization. From cooking utensils to embroideries, farming tools, from folk musical instruments to clothes, it's all there. The greater part of the collection consists of both the agricultural profession, consisting of ploughing, sowing, harvesting, threshing, and treading grapes, and the traditional household life, such as preparations for the daily meal, weaving on a loom, or the processing of raw materials for embroidery and weaving. The museum is not hard to get to, being to the west of the Old Harbour next to the remains of the Venetian castle. That's within easy walking distance from the main cafes and shops.